Have you ever taken a bite of a sizzling sausage and wondered, why on earth is this thing called a sausage? It's such a common food. It shows up in breakfast plates, barbecue grills, street food carts, and holiday feasts. And yet, for something we've been eating for thousands of years, most of us never stop to think about the name. Let's start with something you might not expect. The word sausage has roots that go back more than 2,000 years. So today, we're diving into the delicious, slightly ancient, and surprisingly complicated origin of why is it called sausage? This everyday food connects us to the ancient Romans, medieval butchers, traveling traders, and centuries of culinary evolution. So buckle up. We're heading on a little linguistic time travel trip, right here on History of Simple Things. Before we even get to the name, we need to talk about the food itself. Sausages are one of the oldest processed foods in human history. When people learned how to domesticate animals, the next problem they had was, how do we keep this meat from going bad? Without refrigerators, they had to get creative. So early civilizations did what humans have always done. They experimented. They discovered that you could chop up leftover meat, mix it with fat, salt, herbs, and spices, and stuff it inside the cleaned intestines of the animal. Then you could dry it, smoke it, or cook it. And boom! Food that lasts longer, tastes better, and uses every part of the animal. Ancient survival at its finest. Cultures all over the world came up with their own versions. The Chinese were making sausage-like foods as early as 589 BC. Ancient Greeks had a similar dish mentioned in comedy plays. But it's the Romans who really influenced the name we use today. The Romans had a word, salsus. This is Latin for salted. Salt was the key to preserving meat, so this word makes perfect sense. From salsus came another Latin term, salsiccia or salsicium, referring to salted, minced meat that has been stuffed into a casing. Now pay attention here, because this is where our modern word begins to take shape. As Latin evolved and spread into different regions of Europe, so did the food and the word. In Old French, the Roman term transformed into sauciche. As languages mixed and shifted through the Middle Ages, this eventually came into English as savage, then sausage, and finally the version we know today, sausage. So basically, the name sausage originally meant something that has been salted. A fitting name, considering ancient sausages were practically salt bombs compared to the flavors we know now. To understand why salted meat became the defining trait, we have to remember how essential salt was in the ancient world. Salt wasn't just seasoning, it was life. It preserved meat, prevented foodborne illness, and allowed armies to march without starving. Salt was so valuable that at one point, Roman soldiers were paid in salt rations, giving us the word salary. So when you hear that sausage comes from salted, it's not just about flavor. It's about the earliest form of food technology humans relied on. Salt turns perishable meat into something stable and safe. It was the difference between famine and survival. And what kind of food perfectly represents that combination of salt, meat, and preservation? Sausage. As centuries passed and trade improved, sausage recipes evolved from pure preservation methods to regional specialties. Instead of making sausages simply to keep meat from spoiling, people started using their local ingredients and turning sausages into something more culinary. This is why Germany has bratwurst, Italy has salsiccia, Spain has chorizo, and the Philippines has longanisa. Each one reflects the ingredients, spices, and cooking traditions of the region. But even though styles changed, the word sausage stayed tied to its salty Roman roots. Believe it or not, sausages weren't always seen as wholesome food. In ancient Rome, sausages were associated with festivals, wine drinking, and sometimes moral misbehavior. Some Roman leaders even banned them during certain religious periods because people were having too much fun. Later in medieval Europe, sausage was criticized for being a mystery meat. Since the insides weren't visible, people worried that butchers were hiding low-quality or questionable bits of meat. In Germany, this became such a problem that sausage regulations were introduced. One of the earliest food purity laws, the 1487 Munich Sausage Law, strictly defined what meat could go into a sausage. This obsession with purity eventually evolved into the famous beer purity law centuries later. So if you've ever wondered why Germany takes its sausage seriously, there's a long, delicious backstory behind it. Think about how universal sausage is. Whether a food is boiled, grilled, smoked, or dried, nearly every culture on Earth has a version of sausage. And the name, even though it came from Latin, ended up being used worldwide because English became such a global language. Today, sausage isn't just a preserved food. It's a breakfast staple, a barbecue hero, a street food favorite, and a comfort food classic. What started as salted meat turned into something with thousands of varieties and millions of fans. The name sausage might seem simple, but behind it is a story that stretches from ancient survival skills to global culinary creativity. Next time you grill a hot dog, slice into longanisa, or enjoy a bratwurst, you'll know you're eating a food that humans have relied on and named since the days of the Roman Empire. Food isn't just food, it's history you can taste. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.